Have you ever seen anything like it? That's what Joel said to the people. Have you or your ancestors ever been in a season like this? You know, Israel was in a really bad situation. The locusts had come and eaten all the crops, and then another load, and another load, and another load. And the land was absolutely devastated. Nobody knew how they were going to recover. So they called a fast, sanctify a fast, call a solemn assembly. You know, sometimes when disaster comes, that's the best thing we can do. Let's stop what we normally do. Let's stop feeding our face and let's spend some time before the Lord seeking what do we do, Heavenly Father. You know, the fast worked and they heard from God and he started to pour out great blessing upon Israel. The wine, the oil, the wheat, it all was restored. But something marvellous happened. God said, you're never going to be ashamed again. And he said, after this time, I will pour out my spirit upon all flesh, your sons and your daughters, even slaves. There's going to be no difference. I will pour out my spirit upon all flesh. Wow. Out of the disaster came something incredible. You know, this is a time that we're not just seeking a restoration for ourselves, for our own lives. No, we're not that small. We're sons of God. We're seeking a restoration for the Church of God because there are multitudes in the valley of decision. And they're going to need to hear a great testimony. God is raising up warriors in the end times, and we're going to be part of that army if we keep pressing in. Pressing. See you tomorrow.